Ooh, she's giving me a busy day again. We got a truck coming for more corn. Owen's getting 7710 out with the air seeder. Gonna get diesel in it, get it ready to go. Peas should be dropped off this morning. Fertilizer actually should be getting spread right about now. And I'm gonna go work that. I'm just doing some math on how much fertilizer I got left in my liquid tank here. We're gonna get fertilizer down to where I'm gonna plant corn later this afternoon. Just it's gonna be morning of getting things set up, and then it's go time. I don't know about you guys, but it's gotta be one of my favorite tractors right there. 8.1 liter. Sounds mean. Here we go. Get her loaded. A little quieter on this side. So we'll get them loaded, and then Owen and I are gonna go with some dirt. Plant corn this afternoon, plant peas. Loaded. All right, let's go work some ground. Gonna need some diesel, I think. So you can see right here, my neighbors there have started planting their peas. So I said in the beginning, or a few videos, when you're planting peas, they tell you when you can plant. So they obviously want my neighbor to plant first, and then we're gonna get our seed, and then we're gonna start planting. That way, when the pea pickers come through, in theory, it all will be, they'll just keep rolling 24/7, and everything should be ready at one time. That's the plan. There we go. What is wrapped around there? Have to go check that out. Oh boy. Oh man. How was it when I get the cultivator? No one wanted to get that yesterday. I'm blaming Owen. I'm blaming Owen. We got a mess. There we are. So to keep. I know exactly what that is. That is old line from, there used to be a garden in this field actually, or not garden, but it was oh, it was some kind of berry bushes. Anyways, this is the, I think a drip line tape or something like that was under the ground. All right, I'm putting you guys down. Well, there we are. We got her. Had to get the old knife out. All right, let's start. So you can see the fertilizer on the ground, or some of it. That's what we're working in. There he goes. So he was in here spreading. He's done. I can start. After I get the sweater on. Hope. There we go. Poor pig. All right, 74 acres down. Not too bad. It's just about 2 in the afternoon. I'm hoping that seed's there. We're gonna find out when we get back. Okay, pea seed is here. We're just gonna flip around. We'll load the planter. And our plans have changed a little bit. So it's getting a little bit late in the day. We're gonna load the air seeder. We're gonna get the wagon loaded, and then we went and checked another field. We're gonna plant corn. Owen's gonna go work that actually. Tomorrow morning, start planting peas. And then tomorrow we can have both planters going is the game plan. And then once we get this loaded, Owen working dirt, I have about 40 acres I need to plant. So I'm gonna go do that next. Good? Less? There we are. There's our feed over the landing. We'll load the air seeder first, obviously, then we'll bring the wagon around, load the wagon. Try to get this stuff down and situated. Well, the day's gotten away on me. It's 4:30. We're finally heading to the field to do this small chunk, and got PJ with me. Carter's with Owen. He's going to do some sunflowering. Tomorrow should be a big day. Okay, before we unfold this bad boy, gotta get the locks out. Rotation. Well, so far so good. Sarah came, brought me dinner, picked up PJ, so riding solo. I think I got about 5 acres left and I'll need seed. Wes, we just filled up with fertilizer. Wes just took it home. He's coming back with seed, so by the time he gets here, I'll be ready to put it in. And then I can finish this out, and that'll be a night, and hit the day tomorrow hard again. Okay, we're back at the farm. I finished that chunk. So here's the game plan. Gotta grease that planter for tomorrow. Gonna wash that tractor for tomorrow. We're going to put, I have seed to start for tomorrow morning, but the seed variety I want, I'm just throwing in the back of the truck so those guys are aware what they can do. There she goes. Just a little bell squeal, no big deal. She's old. Probably needs new belts, but anyway. I'm getting the seed ready for those guys for tomorrow, so when I ask for seed, they don't have to ask me which variety, and they'll just bring it to me. So, we'll grab it. Roll another Pioneer variety. So what I just planted was actually the kelp. So this is my next shortest day variety, and I think this will be a good variety for the dirt that I'm putting it on. And then it'll be pretty much, I have a spot for that, pride seed, and I kind of know everything's going, premeditated. Oh, I'm trying to move that hoe. Field checking hoe. Usually I use a shovel, but this was in the truck. Still works just as good. trying to get thrown. I have to do a big cleanup. Okay, so truck is ready for tomorrow. Not 100% sure why Mike didn't bring my loader tractor back in here, but I guess I will put it away, not a big deal. Just I was looking for more stuff to do. Anyways, I'm gonna grease that planter, wash that tractor, get things away. That is a night. It's just about 8 o'clock, I think about 10 to 8, so not a super late night, but tomorrow it's gonna be a big day. 70, 91. I got about 130 acres I want to do tomorrow, so that's a pretty big day. Not impossible. You just got to sit in that seat. Nothing can go wrong, and we'll get that done. Oh, there's Owen. He's done working dirt. All right, so let's grease this thing. Well, now that we're greased, it's time to wash her. Why am I going to wash it when I know it's just going to get dusty again? I like to start clean. That's all there is to it. I like my equipment looking good. Stuff's a lot of money. Well, there we have it. She's all clean, ready to go, greased. There's fertilizer in it to start. There's corn in it to start. The reason why the 6410 is out, blew a hydraulic line apparently on the loaders. So, Mike didn't want it leaking in the, well, we call it the tractor barn or airplane hangar, whatever. Fair enough. So, I'm going to give you the quick rundown how tomorrow morning is going to go, which I'm going to send the message out right after this. So, Owen and I are showing up at 7 o'clock. We are going to get the 7710 and the air seeder down there. I'm going to get a little video of him starting peas. That'll give a little bit of time. I'll get back here for 8 o'clock. And I'll start, barking orders to Mike and Wes. Chores need to be done. I got another load of corn going out, which actually when I was washing, the 806 is set up, ready to go. So 9 o'clock, that truck shows up. Wes will have to load that. As soon as that truck's done being loaded, I'm going to have him go down and work some dirt. So I'm going to start in a field we're going to no-till into and hop across the road. And we ripped it last fall, so it's got to be worked one more time, which was the field Owen worked tonight. It has to be worked so I can plant it and have a good day tomorrow. Owen's got 73 acres of peas to put in tomorrow. If he gets that in, he's going to start right on soybeans. So as soon as Wes is done working down there, he's going to hop in the sunflower, or Mike is. They got to go down to there's a field I had a spot, like 10 acres. We just wanted to work quickly. It was just a little bit rough. So he's got to fluff that up, another 8 acres of the field. Just a little spot working, but it's going to take a good day. That hydraulic line needs to be fixed. Eggs need to be picked. And I also got to figure out whether Wes has to make feed or not. I think he's caught up, and I hope he is. He's been pretty much on par to make sure things are done. So, because he knows that this week has been going to be busy. It has been busy. So anyways, make sure you like, subscribe. Sorry about rambling. Have a good one. Peace.